sorry na. Taas. Sorry na ingayan siya. Say hi to them.
Hi.
Welcome back to our Facebook page.
Facebook.
Hi! Kamusta po kayo?
Good.
You ask them how are you?
Ow!
How are you guys?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
How are you, Clark?
Good.
How's your Friday? It's good.
On Sunday.
Today's Friday.
No, Saturday.
Saturday ba ngayon? Okay. Huwag tayo makapagtalo. Saturday daw ngayon. So, for tonight, kami ay
Wait.
No, we're going to... Oh, stand.
A present?
We're going to unbox our new... What is this?
Mixer.
Mixer!
This one's sitting now.
Which one? That one is different. It's not a mixer.
One.
That is food processor.
A food processor.
Food processor. So, bumili kami ng aming mixer dahil kami ay what we're going to do? We're going to use mixer for what? For our... What you're going to bake? We're going to bake! We're going to bake what?
What?
Ano i-bake mo? Ano?
The blue one?
No, ano i-bake mo? Chocolate cake or cheesecake?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake! We're going to bake cheesecake!
Let's open it. This.
Ninong Bugoy said, Clark Toyo, is it you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes?
Sorry, guys. See, silly.
So, bumili kami ng mixer dahil gusto namin mag-try. Actually, si Mami. Ako lang. Gusto ko mag-try mag-bake ng cheesecake. Yung cheesecake, cheesecake na ano lang. Hindi yung made of cream cheese na cheesecake. Basta yun, papakita namin sa inyo. Nakita ko lang din sa sa FB. Sorry. Sorry. So, now we're going to unbox our mixer. So, what do we have here? Anong tawag dito, anak?
That one?
Manual, anak. Step 1, yeah. This is you're going to check if you have to know how to use this. A manual.
What one?
Manual of the mixer. If you don't know how to use it, you have to read the manual first. And what is this? What is this?
Spoon and fork.
Spoon and fork? Is this spoon and fork? Let's see, let's check. Oh! Careful, wait naman, careful.
What? Not a spoon.
It's not a spoon. What do you call this? Anong tawag dito? Ano pong tawag dito?
Mix.
Yeah, we're going to use it. Yeah, this part of the mixer, ano. Anong tawag dito, guys? Hindi ko alam. Check natin sa manual ang kanyang mga parts. Kung ano mga tawag, kung may pangalan. Mahal.
Nino po say color cloud?
Yeah. Are you Toyo? Huh?
No.
It's a multi-blade whisk for, wait na kami, for preparation, depending on the model daw. So, this is a multi-blade.
What?
Multi-blade, ito na pala. Oh, shoot. Wait, mami.
What?
This is multi-blade whisk.
What?
Whisk. Hirap pala sa bata. And then, this one,
What?
these two pala,
What?
this is the dough hooks,
What hooks?
These two, they call it dough hooks. We can do the dough for the donut.
Huh?
Huh?
What's it?
Next time, we don't have the ingredients for the donut. We have ingredients for the cheesecake for tonight. Okay?
Okay, tomorrow.
So, this is the double whisk. Ano nga yun? Multi-blade whisk. Diba? Kunwari talaga paano kami. Parang to lang. And this is the dough hooks. Mommy is happy because I have mixer. We have mixer! Matagal ko lang gusto mo ng mixer. Kaya lang, ng mga panahon na gusto kong bumili, walang budget. Buti na nakita ko ng mura lang. At pasok sa budget, guys. So, huwag tayong bumili ng mga bagay na hindi pasok sa budget. Right? Like toys. Huh? You should not buy toys. Ang plastic na tawa mo lang. Next. What is this? This is the... Meron ba nakalagay dito pangalan?
I think this.
What is this?
Mixer!
This is the machine, anak.
Machine.
Yeah. What do you call this?
A machine.
This is the machine. Wala na, nanguhula lang si mami na. A1. Check.
Okay.
This is the motor unit. Motor unit. Yeah, the machine.
I want to show it.
No, we have to use pa. Because when we keep the mixer, we have to return it to the box.
Mixer inside.
And the last part is the
Mixer!
stand. The stand of our mixer.
Where is it now?
What Daddy said?
Daya, silly. Daya!
So this is the stand. Tama ba si Mami? H. Okay, this is the base. Anak, be careful naman. This is the base of the mixer. This one daw yung base. Binabasa ko lang guys yung base sa manual.
I'll put the word there.
And then this is the L.
Sabel? What?
This is, ano yung L, anak? This one, the tooth trim. Depending on the model.
I'll put the
And then
there.
the mixer lock. Ito yata yun. Mixer lock. Wait lang nga.
What? What now?
Ito pala guys, yung mixer lock. So kapag nilagay mo to dito. Wait, Mami. Wait, Mami. Ayan. So it's lock na. So if you want to remove, this is the lock. Ay. Ayan. Amazing!
Let me try.
Okay. So it's lock na na.
Why?
So ayun daw na yung lock ng mixer, ng motor. Motor.
What does this that do?
And then what is the J?
What
J.
What did that?
Hinge arm release button. Ano yun? Hinge. Ba't di marunong mabasa? This one. Ano to? Ano yata to? If you want to lift na. Amazing! Wait lang, anak.
What does the twister do?
Wait na.
Ow.
Wait. Sorry. I did not see your fingers. So, kapag kapag ilalagay mo na yung itong mga hook.
What hook?
Ito. So, you will lift using this button.
Oh.
That one. And then you make insert here in this hole, right?
Where?
Hirap ang English. You have to know how to speak na Tagalog, di ba? Right?
Let me try.
I think you have to put we have to remove first the motor.
What motor?
This is the motor. Motor, not motor. Char. Excuse mommy. No. Ayun. Then, ayan. Then, ink! Uy! Ink! Wait lang, excited. Oh yeah, mommy forgot to try pala nak. Naku, mamaya. Ilang days ko naman bago siya maano. Ilang days bago siya.
It's not fit there.
Okay. Check nga nak. Wait lang. Baka mamaya hindi siya fit. This is for what?
What's this?
Wait lang po.
For what?
Ginagaya mo na sa mami. Yung F. Ito guys. Ito F. Base sa picture. Ayan.
Look, sis.
Chinan ko lang siya
Look
guys.
at me.
Be careful na ha.
Okay.
F. Anong tawag dun sa F? It's a gear ring for the right twist or dough hook. Para sa bowl. Huh? Whatever.
Whatever.
So, we will try muna
We try.
if it's working or not. Baka mamaya mag-bake kami, tapos di pala siya umaandar. Ay, shoot! Oh, yun! Siya nga. Wait! It's working! This is the level, anak ko. Level. The speed pala, the speed. Ito guys, meron siyang speed. Hanggang 1 to 5.
That's my size.
Okay. So, here, anak. 1. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Push! Ano ba yan?
Put in the ball.
No, anak, there's nothing yet. So, we will just try if it's working. Mommy did not try it when the time I bought this. Ilang days na nga pala yun na. Kalimutan ko na. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
My friend.
It's working! Okay, wait. 1 minute. Turn off muna. Make sure it's all...
Let me try.
Careful. What? No, anak. You have to press. Wait lang. It's not open. So, hanggang 5 siya. Yung bilis niya. No, 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 no. You don't touch it, ma. So, it's working. Hindi tayo magbabalik. Nag-work siya.
I'm sleepy.
But before we use this, we have to wash.
Why wash?
Of course, diba, before you use anything about the food.
Clothes?
Ay, wait lang.
Mixer. Put it over there. Right?
Hey! Ayun pala guys, meron kasi nakalagay dito, eject, para kung aalisin mo siya. So, akala ko kanina, kailangan mo lang siyang ikot-ikot, pero hindi pala. Yan, yan ang purpose ng... No, mahal, that is lemon. So, kailangan pag ano mo na, tapos nang gamitin ng mga hook and everything, you will eject here. Diba?
What eject there?
What's that?
What's that? What is that, Mama? What is this?
So we can use also na we will try to bake pizza. We will make pala the dough. The dough. Careful.
Where?
Mommy. Okay. Press. Wait. Wait. Don't open. I'll check first if it's fit. Okay. Try. Definitely not. Okay, it's working. Shh. They were sleeping? Pag ikaw maingay eh. Wala lang kapag ako maingay si Mami. They were sleeping. Oh, paano mag-eject? Wait. Ayun. You have to press. Push pala, push. Push the button. Okay.
I can do it.
Ano rin?
Then push the button.
You can do it to push the button. So, ayun guys. Tapos ito yung pinaka-bowl ng mixer.
Oh man. It's me. No.
You have to press here na. Press here. Press here. Ano ba yan? Ba't ang dami ng kako? Then, the bowl. Then, ano? We have to
What?
put this first. On the other side. And this one. Then, we put the
It's noisy.
Huh?
It's noisy. I'm scared of.
Ayan.
Ow!
Okay. Okay. So, tapos na po ang aming unboxing. Nalaman na namin ang mga parts. Parts and kung paano siya gamitin. So, mamaya kami naman ay mag-bake ng cheesecake. Gagamitin na namin what do you call this one?
Mixer?
Mixer. Okay, you say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
What did you say is this?
Bye.
Bye.
So, abangan niyo po ang aming vlog para sa aming pag-bake ng cheesecake. See you guys. Bye.
Where does cheesecake go?
Wala pa. Gagawin pa lang natin.
You silly. Oh yeah, let's dance too.
Bye na.
Bye bye, Toyo. Bye, Toyo.